Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 14th of January, 2022. We're going to talk about Binance. Today, we're going to see if this coin is really bullish. Can we really get 100x out of this market in Binance? Because if so, check this out. We want to be in position and win, right? So I'm going to show you all what I'm looking forward to into the market in Binance the simple way. So check this out. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. You guys appreciate my price predictions, my content, by giving you all a heads up as to where I'm looking for the price to go. Join the team, join the community, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. We need some place that is not FOMO-ish, right? We need some places on these platforms that is not giving you a whole lot of fun and a whole lot of hype. This is what I'm all about. I'm not going to get that to you. I could care less. Only thing that I'm focusing on that is real important for you and me is the price. And once you begin to see that everyone else ultimately is worried about the same thing, the price, then that's the only thing we need to focus in on in order to understand what the price is going to do. Everything else is literally irrelevant. It's noise. It's just simply there to confuse you, to fog up your judgment as to what you think the price is going to do. So once you start taking that stuff away, you begin to see how the market really works. Check this out. I did a video in Binance, right? You guys can see it on the 20th of December. Yeah, I was telling you all then, be prepared for the price in Binance to go lower. See, I didn't come in and speak to you all about some article. I didn't come through and talk about anything that CZ is doing with Binance at the exchange and none of that, because it doesn't dictate price movement. I only looked at this chart. This chart told me that the market was looking kind of weak, and to show you all that, I predicted it. I placed this square rectangle on the chart just to show you where I'm looking forward to the price to go. And that is where the market has gone in Binance. So congratulations to those who saw the same thing, because it means that you're dominating the cryptocurrency space. It means that you are dominating everyone else who's trying to trade in these markets. You did a wonderful job. Now let's move on to see what the price has in store for Binance now. Let me get rid of this. I was 14.5% right there. Let's get rid of it. Now, can you see this? Yeah, do you see this ascending line? This is one of the biggest indications of us knowing whether or not Binance is going to continue to go up or go down. Yeah, right? This is the trend. This is where the market in Binance is confirming that it wants to continue to go up. We broke that trend right here on the 7th of January. But then here on the 10th, let me bring this back over to the daily. Okay, so you guys can see the time frame of to which we broke that ascending line, right? But it wasn't that long, and then we came right back up. But hold on, do you think the market's going to be able to sustain that movement high that we saw start on the 10th of January? Do you think it's going to be sustained? Because if so, then yeah, we need to continue to be bullish. Now, I'm here to tell you this already, okay? From out the gate, I'm not going to be bullish into the market in Binance until we see this market break up here. $520. That is where we need to see this price in Binance ultimately break for us to become more bullish. Yes. See, I already know that. So I'm not even at all nervous to say that price is going to come down, because I know that the buyers are not in control right now. Even though we saw a pretty good move the last couple of trading days in Binance, they still have a huge task ahead of them for us to see the price break back up above 520. That's what I'm waiting for me to change and look for this price to continue to go down in Binance for us to start to be bullish. Yeah, right there. So let's see this on the 2-day. Okay. Now, this last 2-day price bar definitely shows us that the buyers came through, which is fantastic. This is a very good spread that came into the market in Binance, but it could have been a fake out, right? Meaning that the market is trying to trick us. It's trying to fool us into thinking that this price is really strong, but he's not going to fool us. That's why I told you $520 is that location for us to know if the market truly wants to go up. This could be a fake out move right there on this last 2-day price bar. Even here on the 3 days, look at that. Very strong 3-day price bar. Cool. But do you think it's going to be sustained? Take a look at this one. Let's not get it twisted, right? We got a couple of these 3-day price bars. Look at that one. Okay, look at this one. To where we saw price in Binance go up, right? But then immediately on the next 3-day price bar, price comes right back down. This is what I'm trying to tell you all. Let's not get tricked. Let's not get fooled into thinking that this market is massively bullish in Binance. So when you get situations like this is where you just want to chill out if you're not in a position right now and say, all right, cool. I'm going to wait on 520. If the buyers or the price is able to trade above 520 on strength, then that's how I know that the market's going to continue to go up in price. Until that time, expect the weakness to continue. Simple, right? Now, let's see what we got on the 5-day. Okay, this is the 5-day time frame. Looks pretty decent. I mean, like I said, we saw the weakness here on this last 5-day price bar. We're seeing the buyers trying to come in and bring price back up. Pretty much like what happened here. Right? So this ascending line is readily important. Let's not get it twisted. So do you see a buy signal on these multiple time frames? Because the buy signal for me is at 520. Seeing price trade above 520 is where that buy signal is for me. Until that time, I'm still going to anticipate price in Binance to go lower. Yes, I am. And the moment that I do see price in Binance trade above $520, then that's when we know we need to go long. That's how we know we need to come in and buy the market. Okay. Now, we're going to get close. You know, it is my expectation to see the price in Binance get close to this $520 area. Yes. So the market's going to do that to try to spur some type of emotion out of you. This is how this game is played. So even if I do see the price in Binance come up here to 520, let's say we don't get the strength here at $520, then that means that we don't need a rush. We might get rejected and start to see the price come all the way back down again. This is why it's very important for y'all to understand what's going on in the market. Okay? Because in actuality, yeah, price, it could go to 520. How much would it be? About a 10% price move. And I know I'll get comments in the comment section saying that I got it wrong. No, I didn't. Because I'm still looking for weakness to appear at $520. Now, what I'm going to do in this video, okay, is that I'm not going to do a price prediction in Binance right now. No, I want to see that buy signal appear at $520. That is where I know that this market is trying to go up. As of right now, let's keep it real. Look at what price has done since November of 2021. It's been trending lower. And that is still the expectation until we see price break back up above $520 on strength, okay? So I'm done. I'm not going to do a price prediction. I want to show you all that every market is not marketable. It's not tradable. Sometimes you just need to chill out, let the market continue to give you a little bit more historical information, and then you'll know when to jump in. You'll know when to pounce. You know when to act. Every time you do a video, every time you do an expectation, price prediction, or forecast, doesn't mean you got to actually draw one. I'm showing you how to act when you're coming into the markets. And this is one where I'm not going to put on a price prediction. Now, I know you all may say, well, that was a great, 10 minutes of my time. Yeah, it was. Because I'm showing you what to be on the lookout for. I'm showing you what your expectations need to be to confirm whether or not the market is a buy or whether or not the market is still weak. You're not going to get this anywhere else without this confusion. I don't push that confusion. I simply pay attention to the money. And when the money is looking foggy, it tells you to stay away. This is that situation in Binance right now. Now, it may not be for you, but for me it is. So if it's not for you, drop me your price prediction in. Give me your price target, right? Let the world see Where are you looking forward to Binance going over the next month? As we go throughout the month of February, where will price be? And I'll come back in later once I get a little bit more information to let me know where we're going to go to do my price target, to give you my price prediction. But as of right now, it's on you. Give me your comment real quick. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.